All right, you guys, please remember to like and share this video and follow and subscribe, follow and subscribe. I am fin to open up the mini brand home edition. This is, I think this is my last one. I'm not quite sure, but we're gonna open this up, you guys. Like, share, subscribe, and follow. Okay, hold on. Okay, you guys. Awesome. Here's the list, but the list is a little bit too long, so I'm just going to show you the front. This to give you an idea what's in here in the back, because the list is just way too long, y'all. So let's open this one up first. Here is what we have, like a little mini food container. That's what it is. You can't open it up, but it is a little mini food container. Let's look at the list. I'm going to take my time and open it up, but that is really, really small. Just to give you a big one, that is what we got right there. That is what I just opened. It's really small, you guys, but there it is right there. Okay, let's open the next one. Let's see. Okay, we have a lava lamp. I know some of y'all know what a lava lamp is. This is a lava lamp. Okay. And let's see what this one is. Very small items today. We have, this is like an air purifier thing. See? Okay. Let's see. Oh, look like some I have to put to. Oh, this is the egg. This is an egg. See? I got the egg. Hold on. There you go. Eggs. This is the eggs. What are the odds we get of egg and there's an egg shortage? What are the odds of that? Okay. Last one. I was saving this for last. We got a big one. We got the chair. We got the chair, the little chair thing. This is so cute. Look at that. Ah, we got the chair. Hold on. That is what we got, ladies and gentlemen. That is what we got. Ah, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I absolutely love this. This is amazing. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Please remember please like and share and subscribe and follow for more videos. Have a wonderful, blessed day, you guys.